Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and this school is situated in Gola Bazar. Today we have to do maths lab activity that is given activity A and activity B. On last day we have learned many topics in addition and subtraction of bigger number. The subtopics were adding 2 digits number, adding 3 digits number and subtracting bigger numbers and story sums. Okay, but today's our topic is maths lab activity that is given in your book page number 101. So let's start. To understand maths lab activity, you have to do it. First, aim to understand addition and subtraction. What is the aim of this activity? To understand addition and subtraction of bigger number. Okay. You will need, आपको क्या चाहिए? What you have need? A pair of dice. A pair of dice. Okay, dice. Do you know dice? In Ludo, dice is used for playing, for throwing. To understand addition and subtraction, you have to understand addition and subtraction, and what you have to need a pair of dice. Steps: to begin, 3 students take turn to throw a dice. 3 students by one they will throw a dice. Each write a digit obtained on the board to form a 3-digit number. Each write a digit obtained on the board. That means when they throw a dice, okay, then each writes the digit obtained on the board to form a 3-digit number. As like first student throw dice, the digit is 3. Second student throw a dice, the digit is 4. And when third student is throw the dice, the digit is 6. So the number is 3 to 6, that is a 3-digit number. And after that, 3 other students repeat step 1 to get another 3-digit number. And then after, 3 other students repeat step 1. Again they repeat step 1 to get another 3-digit number. Okay, and after that the student go back to their seat. And after that the student will go back to their seat, and all the students then add the 3-digit numbers to find their sum. And after that all students add the 3-digit numbers to find their sum. And next they subtract one from the other. That means you have to subtract smaller from greater. So they subtract one number from the other to find their difference. Other students take turns to repeat these steps. Okay, once again you have to listen. To begin, 3 students take turns to throw a dice. To begin, 3 students take turns to throw a dice. By one, 3 students throw a dice. Each write a digit obtained on the board to form a 3-digit number. Each student writes the digit obtained on the board to form a 3-digit number. And after that, 3 other students repeat step 1, that was to begin 3 students take turn to throw a dice, that is step 1. So 3 other students repeat step 1 to get another 3-digit number. And after that the students go back to their seat, and after that all the students then add the 3-digit numbers to find their sum. And after that they subtract one number from the other, smaller from bigger, to find their difference. And other students take turns to repeat these steps. Come on, activity B, that is given. Activity B, what is aim of this activity? To understand place value and addition. To understand place value and addition, from this activity you have to understand place value and addition of bigger numbers. What you have did, an abacus for each student. For each student there should be an abacus and 10 beads each of 3 colors and that you should also have beads, 10 beads each of 3 colors. Okay, so there will be 30 beads, 3 of each colors, so 10 colors, 10 beads each of 3 colors. Steps: work in group of 3. Firstly, you have to work in group of 3. You should be in group of 3. The teacher write a number to be added, for example 132 and 421. The teacher write on the blackboard a number to be added, for example 132 and 421. And after that, student A puts the beads on the ones, tens and hundred spike to show 132, that means 132 on his abacus. And after that, student B puts the bead on the ones, tens, hundred spikes to show 421 on his abacus. And after that, student C adds the numbers shown by both the abacus, C or he, then puts the beads on the ones, ten, hundred spikes to show the sum on his abacus. Okay, in first abacus there is 132, so in ones place there will be 2, so there will be 2 beads, and 100 tens places there are 3, so there will be 3 beads in tens places, and on 100 places there is 1, so 1 beads in 100 place. And after that 421, you have to add 132 and 421, so 132 plus 421. In 421 on ones places there is 1, so 1 bead. On tens place there is 2, so 2 beads, and on 100 place there are 4 beads, so there will be 4 beads in 100 spike. So we have to add, when we add ones, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3. And when we add tens, there will be 3 plus 2, 5. And when we add 100, 1 plus 4 equal 5. So the number will be 553. You have to listen once again. Work in groups of 3. You have to work in groups of 3. The teacher writes the number on the blackboard to be added, for example 132 and 421. And after that, student A puts the beads on the OTH, that means ones, tens, hundred spikes to show 132 on his abacus. And after that, student B puts the beads on the OTH spikes to show 421 on his abacus. And after that, student C adds the numbers shown by both the abacus, she or he, then puts the beads on the OTH spikes to show the sum on his abacus. Now come on, mental math. The next is mental math. Find a number you get when. Find a number you get when. So you have to do 3 is added to 200. 3 is added to 200. When you will add 3 is added to 200. When you will add 200 in 3, there will be 203. Okay. 200 plus 3, there will be 203. Question number 2. 13 is added to 732. 13 is added to 732. We have to add them. 2 plus 3, 5, and 3 plus 1, 4, and 7. That is 745. Question 2, 745. Question 3, 8 is subtracted from 108. 8 is subtracted from 108. There will be 100 because 8 minus 8, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, and 1 minus 0, 1. So there will be 100. Okay. From another way, you have to subtract. You can do back counting. 107 106, 105, 104, 103, 102, 101, 100. Okay, so there will be 100. Question number 4, 8 is subtracted from 148. 8 is subtracted from 148. You can solve it by back counting. 147, 146, 145, 144, 143, 142, 141, 140. So there will be 140, 140. Question number 5, 9 is added to 100. 9 is added to 100. There will be 109 because 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. There will be 109. 16 is added to 200. 16 is added to 200, that is 216, because 16 plus 200, 0 plus 6 equals 6 and 0 plus 1 equals 1 and 2, that is write down 2, that is 216. Question number 7, 735 is removed from 755. That means 755 minus 735. 5 minus 5, 0, 5 minus 3, 2 and 7 minus 7, 0. So there will be 20. Question number 7, there will be 20. Question number 8, 39 is removed from 411. 39 is removed from 411. Question number 8, 39 is 4, so 49 minus 39, 9 minus 9, 0, 9 minus 3, 6 and 4. So the answer will be 460. Okay. Question number 9, 101 is taken away from 911. So 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 0, 1 and 9 minus 1, 8. So that is 810. Question number 8, 39 is removed from 499. 9 minus 9, 0, 9 minus 3, 6 and 4 minus 4, 0. Sorry, 4 minus 0, 4. That is 460. Question number 7, 460. Question number 8. Sorry, that was question number 8. 460 is the answer of question number 8. Question number 9. 101 is taken away from 911. So that is 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 0, 1 and 9 minus 1, 8. That is 810. So 101 is taken away from 911, that is 810. 30 is removed from 750, that is 720. Okay. Question number 1. Once you have to revise it. Question number 1, 203. 3 is added to 200, 203. 13 is added to 732, 745. Question number 3, 8 is subtracted from 108, that is 100. Question number 4, 8 is subtracted from 148, that is 140. Question number 5, 9 is added to 100, that is 109. Question number 6, 16 is added to 200, that is 216. And question number 7, 735 is removed from 755, that is 20. Question number 8, 39 is removed from 499, that is 460. Okay. Question number 9, 101 is taken away from 911, that is 810. And question number 10, 30 is removed from 750, that is 720. Common question number B, the numbers in each box is the sum of the two numbers in the circle. Fill in the box and the circle. Let's come on. That is given the sum of two numbers in the circle. Fill in the box. Okay. So that is you have to add them. You have to add them on the side number of sides, that is 65 and 27. On adding 65 and 27, there will be 92. So the in box there will be 92. And after that we have to subtract 68. 65 plus 68, there will be 133. Okay. So there will be 133 and 68 plus 94, there will be 162, okay, and 27 plus 94, there will be 121, okay. On and next question I will tell you on tomorrow, okay. That's your homework. You have to do mental maths exercise and you have to do activity. Thank you.